Diatone radio. Diatone's on Navi for Subaru. Also has camera issue. Camera is not working. We put it on reverse gear. The camera is not going. You can see it's on reverse. It's not coming on. Yet the car's got a camera fitted. There is the camera, very well mounted, but it's not triggering. Now we have to go to the settings to activate the camera. Go to the menu option, come to the settings on top there on the left, on the right, sorry. Most of the Diatone radio systems have got the camera setting under the info menu. You go to the info. This is the camera in Japanese. You come there. There is the reverse camera option. Come there. You activate on the left hand side. Then you just go back by just pressing AV once. Now when you take it to reverse, you can see the camera there, it's working. It's on reverse now. Camera is working perfectly well. And that's it. Share, like and subscribe for more future updates.